Hi makers! Today we are making a beautiful candy lei perfect for graduation. We will have a limited number of kits available for sale on our website that include all of the materials for making this lei. Leave this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. We have several lei tutorials coming out for graduation season. Here are the materials you will receive in the kit or the materials you will need to prepare on your own to make this lei. The kit will be linked in the description box and will come in royal blue, navy blue, and red. The only item you need in addition to the kit is a hot glue gun and glue sticks. I'm using gold ribbon that is 3/8 inch and you will need 8 yards total. I'm using blue ribbon in 2 sizes. The wider ribbon is 2.5 inches and I have 12 pieces cut 8 inches long. My next ribbon is 1.3 inches wide and I have 23 pieces cut 6 inches long. I have 3 pieces of lei twine and 12 of these New Zealand chocolates. If you're making this on your own, I would recommend using a satin acetate or satin poly ribbon. Our kits are available to ship in the US. Other US candies I would recommend that are a similar size are Kit Kat miniatures, Twix minis, or Starburst fun size. I would avoid using fun size chocolate candy because it may be too heavy for the lei. For those in Australia or New Zealand, you may have access to the chocolates I used or have several varieties of chocolate that come in this size. I'm starting with my gold ribbon and cutting it in half so that I have 2 pieces that are 4 yards long. I'm going to create a military braid, which you may have made before or seen used in ribbon lace. I'm tying a simple knot and making 1 loop with my right ribbon. I'm going to take my left ribbon across the front and around the back. Now with the left ribbon, I'm creating a loop and putting it through my right loop. I will use the ribbon on the right side and pull it tighter. I don't want it to be too tight or my braid will curl. I want it to be about the same width as my ribbon. I'm going to continue this process alternating from side to side, creating a new loop and putting it through the existing loop and then tightening the string. We want this braid to be 34 inches long. To finish the braid, place your string through the loop. On the other side, flip your string up so that it aligns with the pattern and finish with a knot. Next, I'm going to braid my twine. Just a note, the colored twine may stain your hands, but it washes away easily. I am braiding my twine to be 40 inches. I am folding my twine in half so that I have a center point. We will start with our wider 2.5 inch ribbon. Place the ribbon under your twine and glue it in place with the twine about 1/2 inch down from the top of your ribbon. I'm starting in the center and gluing 6 pieces going to the right and the remaining pieces going to the left side. We are now going to layer the 1.3 inch ribbon on top. I'm gluing each individual ribbon together to create a loop. Once I've glued my loops, I am gluing it on top of my ribbon. Each wider piece of ribbon should have 2 ribbons glued on top. I am placing a line of glue to secure each piece. If your pieces are overlapping or your glue goes down too far, the lei will not be able to bend. As you can see, my left side had some overlapping and it will be more difficult for the lei to form a half circle when it is worn. Now I'm adding the chocolate. For this design, I'm using 12 chocolates. I'm just applying hot glue to the back and gluing it to every other ribbon on my top layer. I am also gluing them so that the writing faces the same direction. My last step is to glue on my military braid. I'm applying hot glue to my lei and gluing on the top half of the width of the braid. To finish, I'm gluing the rest of the braid to the back of the lei. If your braid is too long, you can trim it and reknot it before securing it to the back of the lei. Here's our finished lei. You can of course customize it in any combination of colors. You could also make it long and wear it open as more of a my lei style. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you make for graduation.